Coastal Hire presents your DIY tip of the week. There's a hole in your wall. How it got there and who did it is not important. What's important is getting it fixed before anyone notices. Here's what you'll need: a putty knife, ready mixed polyfilla, a sponge, sandpaper, primer, a paintbrush, and matching paint. First, remove debris from the hole. Now, sand down spots and rough edges. Apply the polyfilla with the putty knife. Gently sand down the polyfilla. Remove dust with a damp sponge. Apply paint primer with a brush. Let it dry. Finally, apply matching paint. As easy as that, as good as new. Your DIY tip of the week was brought to you by Coastal Hire. For other great DIY tips, find us on social media. And for all your equipment hire needs, visit coastalhire.co.za or visit your nearest Coastal Hire store. Serving all your equipment hire needs nationwide. Go Coastal!